Hello everyone. So today we are touring this 4 bedroom semi-detached duplex located here in the heart of Ajah in a well-secured estate. So this car park can take up to 3 cars. We have spacious living area inside. Minimalistic. I mean, this is something if you're currently in the market looking for a property within the 180 million naira mark, you strongly want to consider this. Now, without boring you with the details, if you're new to my channel, quickly hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let's see what this home looks like. Welcome home. Okay, so 4 bedroom semi-detached. You have your compound space over here that can take up to 4 cars, up to 3 or 4 cars, depending on the size of your car. Let's go right inside. So I love that the designs are actually just minimalistic, functional. So when you step inside, this is your primary living area. This is your primary living area. You've got TV console over there. So over here you have your visitor's room and the kitchen. So let's take a look at the visitor's room. So this is it. You have your wardrobe right there. What do you think of the choice of the tile? You have your walk-in shower. So let's take a look at the kitchen. So the kitchen is just beside the visitor's room. So this is the kitchen. You have your 5 burner gas cooker here, your heat extractor, your oven, your microwave, and you have this space for your pantry. Okay, let me know what you think. And also, what do you think of the choice of the tile? Would you prefer a plain tile? Okay, let's go upstairs quickly. Just before then, you have your visitor's restroom here. Have a visitor's restroom here. Let's go upstairs. Another tour of the primary living area. Of course, it has sensor lights. So when you come upstairs, you have this space here where you can set up another living area for your family. On my left, you have this room. Then the restroom, the bathroom is just right here. There's another room here. That's your wardrobe. This is your room. And you have your bathroom right here. All right, let's go to the masters. So this is the masters. You have your closet right here. And you have your bathroom. You have your walk-in shower. You have your bathtub right here. Alright. So let me know what you think of this home. Let me show you the closet again. So this is the closet. Of course, it has a balcony. It has a balcony. So this is the balcony, and this is the surrounding of this place. So let me know what you think of this project. Asking price is 200 million for the corner piece. Then the middle unit is going for 180. Of course, it's negotiable. All right. So if you're currently in Ajah looking for a house within that range, 150, 160, 170, between 180, 200, you can consider this. All right. So get in contact with me and let's get you home. Thank you, and see you on the next video.